Just start thinking about it, what you expect from this person. And do communicate clearly about your expectation. Once you do this, you will see that you will have this clear communication, transparent, and you will control it anyway.
Be in the community, be in all those chats, I don't know, Slack channels, Discord channels, whatever channels, Facebook group, LinkedIn groups, for you to understand first the market and second the market needs.
To have the projects and have the career ladder for each people, especially for seniors and people who are strongly regret, you're the best people, to have the path for the long-term career.
Start with the main point. Don't burrow it down under the loads of text or whatever. Start with the main point. Be as short as possible. So kind of the ballpark is it has to fit on a screen of your phone.